So guys, this is my cat in a film. As you can tell, she's a calico cat. She's orange, black, and white. We call her NFL because she's got those markings under her eyes like a football player. NFL. As you can see, she's like rubbing against my hand. And she's very adorable. So I asked her to get off my stomach. And this is what happened.
Recording that for.
See, she won't move.
Who are you recording that for?
A friend. Even when we do that, she still won't move. Alright, up girl. See? Even when I'm moving my body up a little, she still won't move. Now she's gave that little angry look. And she's getting frustrated because her tail's like wagging back and forth a bit more. So yeah. She's very cute though. So write down in the comments why do you think cats follow us around the bathrooms or better, why do they follow us? And why do cats like put their ears down or do this when petting her? So yeah, see you next time.